Imagine this, you're running an online store, maybe fashion, home decor, or skincare, and your biggest challenge isn't the product itself, it's how to make it look amazing online. Because in e-commerce, people don't get to touch or feel your product, they buy with their eyes. And that means your visuals can literally make or break your business. But here's the problem. Traditional product photography is expensive, slow, and hard to scale. You need models, stylists, photographers, studio lighting, editing. It's a whole production. And by the time your new collection finally gets its visuals, the trend might already be gone. So, what if you could create all of that professional quality product photos, model shots, and even short videos without ever picking up a camera? What if AI could do your entire product shoot for you? Well, that's exactly what this new platform, Whatmore.ai, promises to do. And in today's video, we're going to explore what it is, how it works, and whether it's really the future of product photography. Stay with me till the end because I'll also share how you can start using it for free. All right, let's get started. So, first, what exactly is Whatmore AI? In simple terms, Whatmore is a no-code AI platform built specifically for e-commerce brands. It helps you create professional product visuals and videos in seconds using just AI. You upload your product image, say a shoe, a watch, or a piece of furniture, and Whatmore transforms it into a polished, styled, on-model image or even a short product video. Think of it as having your own virtual studio, model, and video editor, all powered by artificial intelligence. It's designed for brands that want to move fast, save money, and create high-quality content at scale. For example, if you have a clothing brand and you only have flat lay photos of your garments, Whatmore can generate realistic on-model visuals in different styles and settings, like outdoor shoots, lifestyle settings, or plain studio backgrounds. You can even generate short 4-second product videos for Instagram, TikTok, or your online store. Now, let's actually see how it works. When you head over to Whatmore.ai, when you click Try for free on Whatmore, the first thing you'll see is a simple sign-in window. Pick Sign In with Google. That's the fastest route. Whatmore can create your account and store your projects. Accept the permissions and you'll be redirected back to Whatmore already logged in. After signing in, you land on the Choose Your Product to Get Started page. It's a friendly, card-based layout with two big options: AI Studio for creating AI photos and videos for products, and Shoppable videos for making interactive, buy directly videos for your store. The AI Studio card explains the main use cases: ads, product detail pages, social, and has a purple Get Started with AI Studio button. The Shoppable videos card is below it with its own Get Started button. If your goal is to generate photos and short product videos, click Get Started with AI Studio. That's the one we'll use in this walkthrough. Clicking Get Started with AI Studio brings you into the AI Studio workspace. At the very top, you'll notice a few UI elements: your credits, an upgrade button if you want higher resolution or more credits, and a My Creations button where your generated images/videos are stored. On the left is the main navigation: Home, Explore, My Creations, My Templates, and under Settings you'll see Plan an Account. There are also quick tools listed like Image to Video, AI Background Change, and Face Swap. Those are shortcuts to specialized features. The main area of the AI Studio dashboard is organized to get you creating fast. And the best part is that you don't need any technical skills. Everything runs right in your browser. Now let's talk about the features that make Whatmore stand out. First, AI Studio. This is where all the visual magic happens. It lets you create photos and videos that look as if they were shot in a real studio without you ever being there. You can control styling, mood, and background. It's especially powerful for fashion, home decor, and accessories. Second, Shoppable videos. This one's really interesting. You can make interactive videos where customers can literally click and buy products directly inside the video. Imagine scrolling through your website and seeing a short lifestyle clip, and right there, you can click on the featured item and buy it instantly. That's Whatmore's Shoppable widget feature. It integrates directly with Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and other platforms. Third, scale and speed. Traditional shoots take days or even weeks to plan and execute. With Whatmore, brands are launching full collections 10 times faster. Some even claim to save over 60% of their content production costs. So, is Whatmore AI worth trying? If you're a business owner, a marketer, or even just someone experimenting with AI tools, absolutely yes. It's one of those platforms that actually solves a real-world problem. Start with the free plan, upload a few of your product images, and test how the AI transforms them. Try both photo and video modes because short AI-generated product clips are performing insanely well on social media right now. If you like what you see, upgrading unlocks high-resolution exports, watermark-free downloads, and faster processing. At the end of the day, this tool is about unlocking creativity. Whether you're a small D2C brand or an established retailer, it gives you a way to experiment and launch faster without the bottlenecks of traditional production. Alright, to wrap this up, Whatmore AI is part of a new wave of creative automation tools that are reshaping the e-commerce industry. It's not just about replacing photographers or studios, it's about giving creative power back to the people who need it most, the founders, the marketers, and the creators who want to move fast and make an impact. So, if you want to stay ahead in this new AI-driven era of e-commerce, definitely give it a try. You can check out the link in the description to explore it yourself. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to IdeaPlex, and drop a comment telling me which AI tool you'd like me to review next.